परेशान क्यों हो?
बस शादी का इवेंट है ना, मेन्यू का इशू हो रहा है। कभी डेजर्ट अच्छा होता है तो कभी मेन कोर्स खराब निकल आता है। समझ नहीं आ रही क्या करूं।
तुमने वो नई ऐप नहीं डाउनलोड की? आजकल सब उसी से बुकिंग कर रहे हैं।
कौन सी ऐप?
वन रूफ, वही मिलते हैं सारे प्राइवेट शेफ्स, हर डिश का अपना एक्सपर्ट। अगर बिरयानी चाहिए तो कोई एक्सपर्ट से, डिजर्ट चाहिए तो किसी और स्पेशलिस्ट से, सब कुछ एक ही जगह मिल जाता है। इसलिए हर डिश होती है परफेक्ट वन रूफ की वजह से।
Food is the heart of every event, and in Karachi, it often defines the entire experience. You could have the most elegant decor, but if the biryani is unsatisfactory, mehman फौरन review section की तरफ चले जाते हैं.
We've all seen that one time where one team tries to handle the entire menu. Barbecue, desserts, salad. A complete culinary marathon in one day. Naturally, some dishes succeed while others disappoint. ये इसलिए है क्योंकि कोई भी टीम, कोई भी शेफ हर चीज में माहिर नहीं हो सकते.
And that's exactly what One Roof solves.
We bring together Karachi's finest and special chefs all under one platform. So, customers create a menu where every dish is prepared by an individual expert.
Chocolate mousse, engage with a dessert professional. Biryani, call a biryani specialist. Barbecue, consult a barbecue ustad. मसला हल हो गया.
Our clients include family hostings, major events, corporate teams, and anyone who expects खुर्दानी आशिया का मयार तो आला होना चाहिए.
People love One Roof because it gives them freedom to choose the best specialist, confidence through tasting, convenience through one app, and most importantly, no more food gamble.
Here's how it works. First, the customer opens the app and selects a category. Let's say desserts, and orders a small sample for around 1,000 rupees. The chef personally delivers the sample to the customer and the customer tries it.
If satisfied, the customer plays the order. One Roof pays a 15% commission and the rest goes to the chef. If they don't proceed, no problem. The sample fee still goes to the chef. इस मॉडल में दोनों फ्री कैन के लिए फायदा यकीनी है. This approach is simple, fair and scalable.
Here we have a prototype of what our app may look like. Everyone can scan this QR code to access it. So this is how it works. First, the client signs in to the app. It selects the dish it wants for the menu. Then they select that category. After selecting the category, they get options for chef and they select the best chef with the highest ratings, however they want. Then you fill the details for the event and confirm the payment.
At One Roof, we believe every dish deserves a master. It doesn't just create a menu, it creates a perfect culinary masterpiece.
We're not just improving food, we're enhancing celebrations, we're enriching memories, and we're making taste reliable, stress-free,
All
under
One
Roof. Thank you.